It's a bird? It's a plane? No, it's a personal jetpack?
Absolutely incredible. It looks so simple.
It sounded like a motorcycle engine, and it looked pretty lightweight and simple. It is. I think it's why you come to EAA in the first place.
The Martin Jetpack, invented by New Zealander Glenn Martin, made its debut at the annual AirVenture event in Oshkosh, Wisconsin. The flying contraption was the star attraction at the experimental aircraft show. Martin's 16-year-old son piloted the jetpack for 45 seconds before an excited audience. Two spotters held it about 3 feet off the ground to keep it from drifting too far. The machine is designed to fly an average-sized person for 30 miles in 30 minutes on a full 5-gallon tank of gas.
It's like floating. It just sort of lifts you out and it's like floating in midair.
This is a unique aircraft. It's something like no other aircraft on this. You know, there's 15 or 20,000 aircraft here, and nothing's like this.
The single-passenger flying machine must fly under federal aviation regulations because it's powered by a piston-driven engine. Operators don't need a pilot's license, though. Martin is already taking orders. The $100,000 jetpacks are set to be delivered at next year's AirVenture. Diane Kepley, The Associated Press.